Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the April Bellabox, so let's get into it. So here is the box this month. It is so pretty and pink. I love it. I did get this box quite late this month. It is the 28th of April when I'm filming this, and I got it today. So yeah, it is late, but let's just go with it. It's probably the virus. There's a lot of shipping delays right now, especially when you are very outside of, Melbourne. So yeah, let's dive into the box. So the card on top has an Easter egg theme, and look what's in. So these are all of the products. So the first one I see is this one, and it is a Pantene Pro V Blends Micellar Gentle Cleansing Shampoo. So yeah, that's interesting. I didn't know that micellar shampoo was even a thing, and yeah, interesting. Leave your locks looking shiny and strong with Pantene's Gentle Cleansing Shampoo with 0% silicones, parabens and dyes. This formula works to remove impurities from the root to tip, helping to protect your hair's natural radiance. A blend of nutrients like provitamin B5, antioxidants, sea salt and micelles means it stays gentle on the scalp. This is just a 100ml sample, but the 300ml full size is $12.99, available at Coles and Woolworths. So yeah, I'm assuming that we'll get a conditioner again next month, like it happened a few months ago where we got a shampoo one month and a conditioner the next. I don't like that idea. They should come together. That's just my opinion. What's the point of getting something? You have to wait to use it. And if we're not getting it, that's fine. I'm happy because I prefer just to get the shampoo rather than the shampoo and the conditioner, but it doesn't say here on the card that we're getting the conditioner next month, so I can't rely on that. So I don't like how, if they plan on giving us both, give them both together. That's just my opinion. But otherwise, I am very excited to try this. I have never really been a Pantene user, but I'm interested to see about the whole micellar shampoo. I've never heard of a micellar shampoo, so yeah, very keen to try that one out. Next we have a Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Porefining face mask. I believe we've received this before a while ago, but never say no to a good mask, and as well, an Australian brand. It's very, very popular mask. So this one is just a sample size, but the full size is $69.90, available at the Sand and Sky website. The Millennial Pink mask you've seen all over the internet is here. A 4-in-1 face mask that refines pores and brightens the complexion, drawing impurities and pollutants from the pores. You are only 10 minutes away from that Aussie glow. So yeah, I might use this one tonight. We shall see. Next we have a CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. I think this is an American brand, so don't remember ever using CeraVe. This is just a sample size, but you can get the full size at Chemist Warehouse. Okay, so it must be new to Chemist Warehouse, because there's multiple sizes you can get it in, ranging from $13 to $30. CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser was developed with dermatologists to cleanse and refresh skin without overstripping or leaving it feeling tight and dry. This gentle, non-foaming cleanser provides 24-hour hydration without clogging pores, making for an effective addition to your skincare routine. So yeah, I will definitely chuck that one in the shower. I'm curious. I've never used this brand before, so yeah, I'm excited to see if it works. Next, we have a Roche-Posay product. We don't really receive a lot of these. This is a Toleriane Moisturizer. This is just a very tiny 2ml sample size, but the full size ranges from $50 to $40 at Adore Beauty and Chemist Warehouse. The Roche-Posay's Toleriane Moisturizer range hydrates, soothes and protects and relieves skin from sensitivity. Suitable for sensitive and allergy-prone skin types, each features a smooth and nourishing texture enriched with Roche-Posay thermal spring water to soothe and repair the skin barrier. So you could have received the facial moisturizer or the ultra-sensitive moisturizer. I'm not sure if this one is the normal one or the ultra sensitive. It might be the ultra sensitive because it says ultra light, so maybe that's for sensitive. Yeah, I'll give it a go, but seems more like a bonus size sample than, you know, one that we should be getting. Maybe it should have been a bit bigger in my opinion. Next we have, this is our bonus. It is a Alpha H Micro Cleanse Super Scrub. So that's interesting. So it's kind of just like a face scrub. I think that's a great sample for the bonus. Alpha H is a more luxurious brand, so I'm very keen to give that one a go. And the last product in the box is one that's very exciting. It is the Elizabeth Mott Queen of the Fill Brow Gel. This one's full size and it's $20 at Amazon and thebeautymultiple.com. This cruelty-free brow gel formula provides polished brows with long-lasting definition. Sculpt, groom and perfect your brows with no more than a few swipes. Its firming polymer technology coats each hair with a formula that's perfect for filling in sparse hair while staying water and sweat resistant. So we did get to choose our shade, and I chose medium dark, just because I do have darker brows. So it's not like it's really big, but you don't really need it to be. So it's got a little wand. That's the color. Should be a nice match for my brows. So very excited to have that one in the collection. I'm very excited when they give us the opportunity to not only get makeup products in the box, but to choose them as well. And then also here in the box, we have a $15 off Pet Circle voucher. I don't have pets, so that is irrelevant to me. So yeah, that is everything in the box. So let me know, guys, what did you think of what's in the box this month? Did you receive the same products? What do you think about it? I really like, I'm like 50-50 and kind of on the fence with the box this month. The brow gel is definitely a win. Same as the Sand and Sky mask and the bonus sample. This one I'm not excited, but I'm not unhappy. I'm glad it's just a moisturizer and it's not trying to be overly complicated, but it is very small. Yes, the world's little sample. It doesn't even have like a lid that you can, you know, save it and keep using it. You got to use it because you twist it off and then it's open forever. The cleanser, I'm not extremely excited about, but I'm definitely keen to give it a shot because I've never used the brand before, but I have heard good things about it, so that is interesting. And yeah, I'll definitely get to using it. And then with this one, I'm definitely keen to use the shampoo, but if they send me the conditioner next month and I've already used this, I'll be pissed because they've done that to us before. And I know after I did that video and was a bit concerned, why the hell do we have a conditioner? They didn't give it to us with the shampoo, and everyone said, oh, they told you it would be there next month, and I never saw it. It doesn't say on this card that we're getting a conditioner next month, so I can only assume that we won't be. And they can't just rely on people having seen every single social media post to know if we're getting a conditioner next month. So I'm going to say that we aren't, and if we do, then I can't be put at fault because they haven't put it here in this box whatsoever to save it for an entire month until we get a conditioner. So I'm very glad I have a shampoo. I will definitely get some use out of it, but I just don't want to receive a conditioner later on because they keep doing that to us and that's not fair. So yeah, overall I'm pretty happy. I think each item is definitely going to get used. So yeah, I'm very excited to try them all. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.